On Tuesday, the highly anticipated results of a clinical trial for a promising Alzheimer's drug were presented at a medical conference in San Francisco and published in the New England Journal of Medicine. The experimental drug was found to reduce cognitive decline in Alzheimer's patients significantly, offering a potential breakthrough in the long, frustrating fight against the devastating disease. So how soon might it be available, and what are the risks? NBC's Maggie Vespa has details in our Sunday Focus.
Joe Monmany was in his early 50s and excelling, traveling the world as a product research analyst when in 2017 he started struggling on the job.
I was having to work a lot harder just to do the regular work that I normally had done. So I was working nights and weekends trying to compensate for that.
Monmany's doctor referred him to a neurologist. Test results were devastating.
She discovered that my hippocampus, which is the part of the brain that controls like learning and memory, it had shrunk more than 75%.
The 54-year-old husband and father was diagnosed with early onset Alzheimer's disease and given 10 years to live.
She's like, Joe, you need to retire today. And I'm like, what do you mean today? And then she wanted to explain, there's a chance you may not recognize your family in 5 to 7 years. It was traumatic. I mean, it's hard to describe how significant that impacts your life.
Trauma all too familiar for the 5.7 million Americans living with the disease. But this week, monumental news. Developers of a new Alzheimer's treatment called lecanemab released groundbreaking clinical results showing a 27% delay in cognitive decline among trial participants.
You know, it's not a cure, but this is really, I think, an important moment in our history.
Dr. Christopher Van Dyke co-authored the report.
This is the first time that we've had a treatment that's actually demonstrated unequivocally the slowing of deterioration.
Lecanemab is an antibody administered through an IV that attacks certain forms of the amyloid protein, which scientists believe deteriorates Alzheimer's patients' brains. The phase 3 trial success has garnered major headlines alongside mounting questions about safety. Recent reports link the drug to brain hemorrhages. 2 of the roughly 1,800 patients who took the drug died after brain swelling and bleeding. Dr. Van Dyke noting those deaths are tragic and the link is being studied.
And one thing also that's, I think, really important is that people with Alzheimer's disease are prone, especially to the bleeding. This is a therapy that is, has already shown that it slows progression, in people with the early symptomatic disease, and that's a full stop.
We asked Joe if he'd consider taking the drug, even given the risks.
Absolutely. We don't have the luxury of time for the scientific community to find the perfect drug, and that this really is a stepping stone on the path for a cure. With this drug, we have the ability to slow down the progression of this disease.
And Maggie joins me now live. Maggie, good morning. So despite some of those risks you laid out, patients like Joe say they will take the new drug if it's approved. So how soon do doctors think it might be available?
So the short answer is as soon as sometime basically next year. It all kind of depends on the FDA's approval process, which is underway as we speak. And the makers of lecanemab have asked the feds for kind of an expedited sign-off, and they tell us, to hear a decision as soon as next month. So that's why we say possibly later next year as to when it might be available. In the meantime, a couple of things to take into account. The trials of this drug and the success of it, those have been specific to people in the early stages of Alzheimer's, because remember, this slows cognitive decline. It doesn't reverse anything. So that's number one. Number two, as far as how widely it might be available, a lot of that depends, experts and scientists say, obviously, on how much insurance covers this treatment. That remains to be seen. And some experts reportedly theorize that without insurance coverage, this treatment could cost in the tens of thousands of dollars. So again, all of this very fluid and things that we're watching, but things to take note of as we wait for that decision. Willie?
So it's certainly a glimmer of hope for so many families who cope with this devastating, heartbreaking disease. Maggie, thanks so much. So interesting.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.